Okay folks, in this video I'm going to show you how to get to this point right here. It's basically you have a gridded image on the left here, and then you have a gridded panel on the right. And what that allows you to do is scale up the image so that it fits on this bigger panel. Okay, so in this project you're going to have one large color image. I'm going to give you a small black and white image. And we're going to be using these images to scale up and paint on a larger surface. So we've got a big surface here. Notice it's larger than the images. So what we're going to do is draw a grid on the image. So the way you do that is to minimize measuring. You're just going to fill in this grid. You're going to go corner to corner on the image, just like this. That helps you find the center point. You're going to find that center, just like that. All right, so once you've got your grids drawn on your two images, what you want to do is measure your image. So this is 6.5 by 4 3/4. That is not very easy math, but we're going to write those numbers down. 6.5 and 4.75. Okay, equals, and what we're going to have to do is measure one dimension of our larger panel. Okay, then we got to do this algebra problem. So it's 20 inches over x, and I need to figure out, I need to solve for x. What is this, 95? That's where it's 80 plus 7.5 is 15. Equals 95. Okay, it's 95, and then 95 divided by 6.5. 6.5. So that's 95. 6.5. That's roughly 14.6. Blah blah blah. Okay, so it's about 14.6. All right, so we figured out it was 14.6, so I'm just marking that on my panel here. So it's 20 by 14.6, and I'm straightening up this edge here. Because what we're going to do is draw our grid inside this square. All right, so you need a really long straight edge to do this part, but we are going to trace that grid on this piece. Now that we have my panel, so like I'm not going to paint on this part up here, but I am going to draw my grid on the rest of the panel. So you guys can't see the whole panel because it's a little too large for the camera, but it is right here. So I'm going to do this. All right, so the point is, like, I can make this image right here. I want to make this the same size as my panel, basically, next to it, and I'm going to take a picture of it. But this basically scales up. You see how, like, the lines on my picture are the same size as the lines on the panel? That's what we're doing.